day 22 of Vlogmas. I should say good evening actually, because we just got home. I haven't taken the camera out all day because it's just been one of those busy Sundays. You go to worship service. We went to actually the old house in Cedar. We showed our my aunt and my uncle that home because they had never seen it before, and then we went to lunch, and then we went to go see the movie David. So that was a really good movie, and it's a perfect movie to bring the kids to, but really the whole family. And I feel like that movie is going to be a series, or they'll have a sequel or something to it. It's like the story's not over yet, so I look forward to that. But I told my daughter tonight that we would start moving all of her stuff over to the sorority house. That's what we're gonna call it, okay? Because yes, it's my sister's house, but that's where the girls are going to be going, so when they want to move out. So Ayla is ready to make the move because she's going to be starting school, and we just want to prepare her, have everything settled before school starts for January. So anyway, I'm going to collect the hangers that we will be using in her closet. So today I just look forward to kind of organizing and setting her closet up a bit and just getting her settled into her new space. And it's just an exciting time. And I also want to set up her bathroom area. We're going to bring over all her toiletries and things like that. And I'm looking at my plant in my bathroom, and it needs water. If I just, stayed on a schedule of sorts, these kind of things wouldn't happen. But actually, this one, I know it needs water more frequently than the other ones do because it's in the window and it's a smaller pot. It just dries out faster. So that one I know does need watering more so than some of the other ones that I have around. That got me off track here. See this? My stepmom got me this for my birthday, and I finally used it today. So this is the dress that I was wearing, and this is what I did with it. Because where we worship is in Cedar, and it's so much colder there than it is here. So I just wore it like this with my coat. I just got home, by the way, so I just took this off. And this was perfect to bring into the theater, and we didn't come home between, so I didn't have a blanket. I normally like to bring a blanket, of course, but this worked just fine. I had my coat on too, but look. And I was telling my stepmom that I could just, if I had different scarves, I can just put them on. Even smaller scarves, you could just put them on and you wouldn't even know like what color dress you're wearing. Like if you say you just have a plain dress that you would normally wear all the time, like I have several, or don't have several, I have two of the same dress, and it's one of those things that it can go with practically anything. But if I didn't want to show the green today, which the green matches nicely with this too, but you could just go like that, and it's kind of like its own blouse or dress, and it just adds a little bit to the coat, and then this closes up. And anyway, it's just one of those things. So I guess I'll kind of need to keep this on anyway because I'm going to be going across the street. What else did I want to say? Oh, I feel like my throat doesn't hurt anymore, but everything is just up in my head. So today it's just been congestion, and like my head just feels so full right now. So that's where I am in way of my illness, but it's nothing that's going to keep me from doing anything. So that's nice. I'm so thankful for that because I've had illnesses in the past where I've been bedridden for a day, and I'm just glad that I haven't felt that bad in this time. So much to be grateful for. But I'm just going to get that stuff together and start heading over there, and let's go check out her closet. Here we are in my closet, and mine is just, I don't even know if I have a color story this time. I just started taking things out that, you know, I've been wanting to pair with different things, and I just haven't had time to care about it, really. That's what the story is here. That's the color story here this time. But I wanted to show you the frame that I found for my sister-in-law, and I feel like if she's watching my videos, I'm completely ruining the gift, but I want to show you. I just put it up in my closet right now just to get a feel for it, but I think that it will be perfect. So let me show you. She loves silver, and the matting is actually a cream tone, and they're calling for me, but it's a cream tone, so it matches the picture so well. But I have to go see what I'm being summoned for. The house is just right over there, but we're loading up the car in the back, so that way we don't, I mean, why bring everything by hand? And these are the ornaments that I won at the ornament exchange, and they're gonna go on my sister's tree, so they'll get to enjoy them over there, and they jingle. So Jorge is helping her bring stuff up right now. She just loves this bedding that's on here, and they washed everything and left all the beds with, you know, all the bedding on it. So that was such a benefit, and also everything's furnished too. So that has to be one of the best things about all of these homes, is that they are fully furnished. So this bed was really pretty too, and all of the sheets just really high quality, and then this bedding, something that she loves. Oh, look at that. I love that. That's so nice. So anyway, this has a built-in desk over here. There are 2 rooms up here that have these built-in desks with the shelf above, and I could just see her doing her studies over here and being able to get, you know, her work done. She has a full body mirror, a little nightstand, and it's just all so sweet, so beautiful. These are solid wood, these doors, a place for her shoes, and yeah, just everything is so nice in here. I mean, this is all solid wood. So I just put her purse right there. But let me show you the bathroom too. This is what I wanted to set up for her today, just so that she can, you know, start to shower in here and whatnot, obviously. But they left all of this. Oh, look. A conditioner bar. I wonder if she'll try that. Maybe she'll try that. But over here is the water closet, along with this beautiful cabinet right here for the linens, a bath mat, and then that really pretty mirror. Oh look, they already have shampoo and conditioner. See, she could have just started showering in here. But she's bringing her stuff. You know, when you bring your own stuff, then it feels like home. I was using the laundry chute. Okay, fine. That's everything? That's everything? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, Ayla used the laundry chute for the first time. So it is time to do her laundry. So I don't think it works all the time. I think you need a taller laundry hamper in here so that it doesn't fall out, but it's just good to know that this this works. Okay, so here's the laundry chute. Here's the laundry room. Very nice. It looks really beautiful in the daytime too, but just a very functional space, I must say. So you could just fold all your laundry over here, and they left a lot of stuff here too. They left some laundry detergent, some bleach, some Shout spray and wash. And Thomas, what do you think? Are you sad? You want to know where your mama is, huh? She's not in here. She went to go get something. So, anyway, yeah, this laundry chute just goes to the second floor, and we'll just put this back there. Look at Thomas waiting for Mama. Thomas is waiting.
I just used the laundry chute.
Yeah.
Awesome.
It was very fun. Here, hold him. Oh wow, a nice jacket.
Yeah.
Look who found his new home. Look who's home. Hi, Thomas.
Come on, Tommy. Come on. Let's go.
Aww.
He can actually jump on this one.
Oh,
Oh, he's so cute.
are you happy to be home? Oh, I'm so sad. Now I don't get to play with you all day. Oh, what's Lady gonna say? She's gonna need a play day.
Yeah.
Well, you just have to bring him over every day
There's
so we
only
can.
fresh and orange stuff.
I need to have puppy visitation.
Aw.
Oh, he's ready to go night-night. He's ready to go night-night. All right, well, I know it's a short one today, but we just needed to get her moved in and to put a few things away. But we still have a lot more to do, a lot more to bring over, but we just wanted to get her started. So we started to put a few things away. She does need to do some laundry, so we're going to start that. And anyway, everybody's just going to make themselves at home. So it's an exciting time. I can't believe this. Anyway, thank you so much for being here with us today and for this big moment. And I have some exciting things that we're going to do tomorrow and can't wait to share that with you. But until then, I hope that you take care, and I will see you in the next video. Say bye-bye, Thomas. Say bye-bye. Say kisses. Kisses. Oh.
Welcome to Inspired by Nikkiyt. Today's episode, moving Ayla.
Yes, Daddy, this lock actually...
Moving Ayla in.
This lock does need to be changed, because look at this. Look, I can't open the door. What if I change it in here? This is to another room.
That's okay. You just lock the doors.
No, you can lock the door.
Oh, well, you lock it in here.
Yeah, but I'm saying if someone comes into the area, they can barge into my room.
It's fine. You're fine.